Okay, see student, the next part of this equation in one variable, already you have solved this type of equations, how to solve, already I sent one video, you've seen in that videos. Okay, so next part is word problem. So in word problem, what you have to do, you have to frame the word problem into the equation form, and equation form is this form, and then you have to solve that example. So we'll see one example here. Suppose my age is x years. Okay, so using this you have to see these five boxes. So my father's age is 32 more. 32 more means plus, means if your age is 1 year, so your father's is 32 means 1 plus 32 is 32. 33, so means your age is x, so 32 more means here you have to add x plus 32. My grandmother's age is 10 more than 4 times. 4 times of your age. 4 times means multiply. Your age is x. So 4 times means 4x. 10 more. 10 more means plus. Means whatever be the calculation, this 4x plus 10, that is your grandmother's age. See how to frame this equation. Your age, we are assuming your age is x. Using this x, we have to find this all values. Okay. So now here, third column, my sister's age is 4 less. More means plus, less means minus. So your age is x, so your sister is x minus 4. Suppose your age is 10 year, so your sister's age is 6 years. X minus 4 means 10 minus 4, 6, like that. Then my friend's age 5 more than half. Half of age, your age is x, half of means 1 upon 2 x, and 5 more means plus 5. You have to read this and you have to prepare the equation. My mother's age is 3 times. 3 times means here you have to multiply. So your mother's age is 3x. So like this you have to prepare equations. So we'll see one solve example and then afterward we will see the exercise. See here. Suppose here one rectangle is here. So we are assuming breadth is x. So length is what? 3 times of breadth, means this is 3x. This one 3a. This one x. Breadths are same. This is 3x. Lengths are same. Breadths are same in rectangle. You know opposite sides are congruent. Then perimeter of rectangle. We know the formula: 2 length plus breadth. Because two lengths are same, two breadths are same. So 2 is common. Length plus breadth. So here using this formula you have to write the value. 2 is common. What is your length? 3x. What is your breadth? 1x. X is here. Okay. So 3 plus 1, 4x. So 2 4s are 8. Now product. This 8 is multiply. When it goes that side, divide. So 8 1s are 8 5s are. So what is the value of x is 5. So what is this x? X is breadth. Means your breadth is 5. Then what is your length? 5 multiply 3, it is 15 centimeter. So your answer is correct or not? Check it. This is 15, 15, 30. Here this one 5 plus 5, 10. Huh? 10 plus 30, 40. Perimeter come 40 means our answer is correct. So we will see some example from this practice set 2.3. Okay. So how to see this one? Huh? 12.2. This is 12.2. See here, first, second, this first, second, I will explain it. And from this also, see this one, third, you just try to solve. Fourth, this is different. And sixth, one is different. So I will solve this examples remaining. You have to study that one and you have to write in your notebook. So one by one, we will see. See here. So first example from that practice set. See here. Okay. So mother is 25 years older than her son. Means those who is smaller, assuming his age or whatever be the number, what is smaller, assume that. So let we know age of son is smaller than mother. So age of son be x years. We don't know. We have to find their ages. Okay, so here what you have to find the son's age, means x value of x year you have to find. So mother's is 25-year older, means therefore mother's age is what, 25-year older, means x plus 25. Hmm? Yes, this is the mother's age. Okay. Now, what is the condition here? Here you have to read the example in here, prepare the equations. This is, we are assuming present age of son is x. So his mother is 25-year older, means more. Okay, more means plus. If after 8 year, so first one here you have to find after 8 year whatever will their ages. After 8 years, their ages will be, means if your age is now suppose 10 year, after 8 year what is there, 10 plus 8 now 18. So here you have to add 8. Son says if now his age is x, so after 8 year x plus 8 years. Okay, and mother's age, here present age is x plus 25 plus 8, because after 8 year now his age is x plus, her age is x plus 25. So x plus 25 plus 8, 33 years. Okay, we are finding one by one by reading the example from these two. After 8 years, these two. And what is here? You have to take the ratio. Okay, find the age of mothers. Ratio of son's age with mother's age. Son's age is what after 8 year? X plus 8. And what is mother's age? X plus 33. This ratio is what? 4 upon 9. See now, we frame this word problem into the equation form. And already you know how to solve this one. Cross multiplication, 9 multiplied by x plus 8 and 4 multiplied by x plus 33. So multiply it and then solve this and find the value of x. 9 into x, 9x plus 9 8s are 72. 4 into x, 4x plus 4 3s are 12. Again 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 30. Okay, this is the product. So 9x is bigger one. Take this 4x this side. Now you know how to solve these examples, equations. This 132 as it is, take 72 that side, it become minus. Plus is there, no? So it become minus. So this one subtraction 9 minus 4, 5x. This subtraction 2 minus 2, 0. And 13 minus 7, 6. Okay. So x is equal to 60. This 5 is multiply. When it goes that side, divide. 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. 1 remain 10. 5 2s are 10. So x is equal to 12. So what is this x? Son's age. Therefore, the age of son is what? 12 years. Because they ask son's age, no? Find the, here they ask find the son's age. Okay. So here maybe they can ask mother's age. Already you know the son's age is 12. So what is mother's age? 12 plus 25 is 37. Like that you can find mother's age also. Here you have to add the value of x is 12 plus 25. Then his mother's age is 37. Well, his age is 12. Okay, this is the first one. So that is very important how to prepare the equation. So now this is different one. The denominator of fraction is greater than the numerator. Means denominator is greater than numerator. Means who is smaller? Okay. Numerator. So assume let the numerator of fraction be x. Like this here you have to write a therefore that fraction or denominator. Okay, we'll first find denominator. Therefore denominator is equal to, what is denominator? Is greater than numerator by 12. Means if x greater means x plus 12. So what is then fraction come? Numerator is x, denominator is x plus 12. Okay, this is your original fraction. Now what condition they given? If the numerator is decreased by, means from the given condition. Condition दिया ना example में. So from the given condition, your fraction is x upon x plus 12. See how to write this one. Step by step you have to go. If the numerator is decreased by 2, decrease means less. Decrease means less, so minus. Okay, numerator decreased by 2. And the denominator is increased by 7. Increase means plus. अगर ये किया, then the new fraction is equivalent means equal to 1 upon 2. See, we frame it into equations. So x minus 2, here x 12 plus 7 is 19, 1 upon 2. Again then that form come. So here you have to take cross multiplication. 2 multiply by x minus 2. And here 1 multiply by this x plus 19. So 2 multiply it, 2x minus 2 2s are 4. If you multiply this bracket by 1 as it is, so x plus 19, this 2x as it is, take this plus x left side, it become minus. Okay, so it become minus now. So this minus 4 goes that side, then it become plus. Already 19 is there. Subtraction is x. 2x minus, here no number means 1. 2 minus 1, 1x. And 19 plus 4, 23. This is the value of x. Okay, so here you have to find fraction. What is your original fraction come? X plus 12. So write that x upon x plus 12. So what is the value of x come? Put here 23. Here also 23 plus 12. So is equal to 23. So addition of this 3 plus 2, 5. 2 plus 1, 3. So your fraction is what come? 23 upon 35. This is the answer. I think everyone understood. Revise it again and again, so easily you can solve. This is very important. You have to frame this one into the equation form. Read the example and write the equation. One more example we will see. See here. Find 3 consecutive whole numbers. See, this is somehow different. Easily you will not understand this one. So you have to see carefully. 3 consecutive whole number. Now whole number means what? Numbers start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, means that is, if we see that whole number increase by 1 after 0, 1, after 1, 2, means 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, like that. So first one here you have to assume smaller number. Let 3 consecutive whole numbers b. If suppose your first number is x, we know it is increased by 1, means next is x plus 1, third is x plus 2. Okay, 0, 1, 2 like this, or 1, 2, 3 like this. 1, 1 it is increased, so third number is increased by 2, fourth one x plus 3 like that one. No, so these are the whole number we are assuming. So two condition is given. This sum is more than 45. First we will see x plus 1 plus x plus 2. This sum is more than means greater than, you know the symbol, more than 45. So we'll see x plus x plus x, 3x, and 1 plus 2, 3 is greater than 45. This sum is greater than 45. So we'll see now this 3 is plus, when it goes that side minus. Symbol, there is no change in the symbol. Okay, so 3x is greater than, this is what? 42. Divide both side by 3, then this 3 cancel. 3 1s are 3 1s are 1 remain 12, 3 4s are. Means x should be greater than 14. So we know after 14, x is greater than 14 means after 14 which number come? 15. Okay, greater than 14, which number come? 15. So first number is 15. So second is x plus 1, means 15 plus 1, 16. And x plus 2 means 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. So therefore that numbers are what? 15, 16, 17. But when it it is more than 45. One more condition, but less than 54 also. If less than 54, then what? Okay, so simultaneously we have to see that also. Here we'll see. So x plus 1 plus x plus 2, these three numbers less than 54. Here we taken greater than, and now you have to take less than. If less than, then again you have to find that three number, which numbers are there. Maybe that will come different one. So again this addition we know x plus x plus x, 3x. This is 3 less than 54. This plus 3 goes that side. It become minus. So 3x less than 51. So divide both side by 3, 3. 3, 3 cancel. Here 17. Now here x is less than 17. X is less than. So which number is come immediately after 17 means less than 17? It is 16. Okay. Here x is greater than 14 means 14 after 14 which number come greater number 15. Here less number we want less than 17 immediately which number come 16. Okay. So x is 16. So next number is 17. Third number is 18. Means when that number sum is less than 54, so that numbers are what? Therefore, numbers are here 16, 17 and 18. Understood? Two conditions are given here. When greater than 45, that time numbers 15, 16, 17. Check the total. 5 plus 6, 11 plus 7, 18. And this 4, 48. Greater now? Yes, greater than 45. And then if that is sum is less than 54, this number we found. Find the sum. 8 plus 7, 15, 21. So 1 is there. Okay. 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 5. Means it is 51. 51 is less than 54. Means by both the condition we found this value. When less than greater than 45, numbers are 15, 16, 17. And less than 54, numbers are 16, 17, 18. So write in your notebook properly. This is the one big example, but very simple. Some tickets of rupees 200 and some are rupees 100 of a drama in a theater were sold. They sold this some ticket of rupees 200 and 100. We don't know how many tickets they sold. The number of tickets of rupees 200 sold was 20 more than the number of ticket of 100. Means whatever be the rupees 200 ticket, it is more than sold more than rupees 100. Means less is what? 100. So let 100 rupees tickets be X. Okay. Suppose they sold 100 rupees ticket be X. Therefore 200 rupees tickets is equal to 20 more means X plus 20. If 100 rupees ticket they sold X, then this is X plus 20, 200. So now here you have to find the value of this one amount. Therefore amount of 100 rupees ticket. So suppose they ask if you taken 100 rupees 2 tickets. So how many rupees you are given? 200. Means what you done here? 100 multiplied 2 now. Okay. Then 200. So here if they sold 100 rupees ticket X. So what is the price of that? 100 X rupees. X now. This is number. We don't know what number up there. So we multiply that one by value. Then and amount of 200 rupees tickets is equal to what? This is the total ticket sold. So multiply this number of tickets by 200. Okay. This is 20. Multiply it. So 200 X plus this 1, 2, 3, 0. 1, 2, 3. 2 2s are 4. This much amount come from rupees 200 tickets and this amount come from 100 rupees tickets. So what they given? The total amount was this one. Total amount means if you taken the total 100 X, this is the amount of 100 rupees ticket plus this 200 X plus 4000. This sum of this total amount is what? 37,000. Okay, 37,000. Understood? This is now equation form. Here we are assuming smaller, means 100 rupees ticket X. Then 200 is 20 more, means X plus 20. So amount of 100 rupees 100X, amount of 200 is this one, and total amount they got 37,000, means addition of these two. So 100 plus 200 is 300x is equal to this 4,000 is plus, when it goes that side minus. See here, like this also you can write 0 0 0, 7 minus 4 3, this is 4. So x is equal to 42, no? 3 minus 1 is 2, 37,000. Here no 1, here 33,000, because 7 minus 4 is 3, so 3 as it is. So 33,000. This 300 is multiply, when it goes that side divide. Okay, see here, subtraction of this 37,000 minus 4,000 is 33,000. This 300 is multiply, when it goes that side divide. Cut 2 zeros. Okay, what remain? 3 1 the, 3 1 the, 3 1 the, and 1 0. X is equal to 110. What is this X? X is 100 rupees ticket. So how many tickets they sold of this? This one we want, na? But here you have to find the number of rupee 100 tickets. So 110 tickets of rupee 100 sold. If they ask 200, then how you will find? Suppose, for example, they want 200 rupees also, then how you will find? Here you have to add the value of x here. X is 110 plus 20, means 130 tickets they sold of rupees 200. And if you, this is x means, 110. 110. X is 110 and 200 rupees ticket, this x plus 20, means 110 plus 20 is what? 130. If you multiply this one by 100 and this one by 200, this one by 100 and this one by 200, x rupee means 100 rupees ticket is 110, multiply 100, and this is x plus 20 means 110 plus 20 means they sold 130 tickets of rupees 200. You multiply this one by 200, this one by 100, and take the sum. This sum is come 37,000. This our answer is correct. See carefully and solve the remaining questions. One more thing to tell you, this year they omitted some example from this exercise. See here, this example number 7, 8, 9 and 10, those are omitted from your syllabus, but you can see that, you can try to solve that. This is omitted, means up to 6. Here you have to solve this example. Already 6th one solved, 4th one solved, means which one remain? 3rd and 5th. 1st and 2nd also I have solved. So write this all 6 example in your notebook. Just 3-4 students they are sending their answers. That is not good. So complete in time and send it.